This video will explain best AI tools. Artificial intelligence is not just for scientists or big companies. Many easy to use AI tools are available for students, professionals, and even small businesses. These tools can help with writing, design, coding, learning, and productivity. Let us review some of the best AI tools. First one is AI writing tools. These tools help you to write text faster and better. You can use them to write emails, reports, essays, blogs, or even books. They can also check for grammar, spelling, and style improvements. For example, tools that act like a smart assistant, helping you to finish sentences or suggest better words. Second one is AI image tools. These tools create pictures, graphics, or designs from simple text instructions. You just type what you want, and tool makes it for you. Great for posters, logos, social media posts, or illustrations. For example, asking the tool to create a cartoon dog playing football, and it instantly shows you the picture. Third one is AI video tools. These tools make videos automatically without much editing knowledge. You can turn text into videos, add subtitles, or even use AI voices for narration. Very useful for YouTubers, teachers, or businesses making quick ads. Fourth one is AI coding tools. These are smart assistant for programmers. They help you to write code faster, find errors, and even suggest solutions. Beginners can use them to learn coding step by step. For example, you write a question like make a simple calculator in Python, and the AI shows the full code. Fifth one is AI productivity tools. These tools help you to stay organized and save time. They can take meeting notes, create a to-do list, or even summarize long documents into short points. For example, after a long online meeting, the AI automatically creates a summary of what was discussed. Sixth one is AI learning tools. These acts like a personal tutor. You can ask questions and get clear answers explained in simple ways. They can also create practice quizzes and step-by-step lessons. Perfect for students learning new subjects. Now we will see pros of AI tools. Save time by doing tasks faster, increase productivity by handling routine work, easy to use, no need to be an expert, accessible to students, workers, and small businesses. Now we will see cons of AI tools. Sometimes the answer may be wrong or incomplete. Over dependence may reduce your own creativity. Some tools may require paid subscriptions for full features. Now we will see the final thought. The best AI tools are like having personal assistant on your computer or phone. They can help with writing, designing, coding, learning, and more. However, it is important to use them wisely. Let them save you time, but still think and create on your own.